kaliang jongka KSU ngawan hande begini kena banja Kristan ni ka protest ka baladon berpersai ka protest mentah jongki ni kena samla pulie baladon kumba shibnai te kum ka seng hi ko wei ni ka noram jong ka seng ka de banja dai ka pulie puthi ban pen kiu ki kena samla kum ta ngas ngau ka long ka ba kongstan bat ka badan kam bangin mi shakmat hakum kini ki jat protest bat bangin Kristan ni kena kenam bahkan waya lami ke jing pha ke pulih ke putih na benta ke ri barokaway
mengikung ka KSU mong ya wan lang wan yung slok lang magkung ki ka cockroach jana ta party bat iba so na mangchok mo ibala sa sangan ha pangni ha deli kumba la jan shibnai na marjungi ki students ni kung tang ya wan lang ning ya museum itali ki bat ni anglo ka government kan sarkar kan sakap mo ki jing dawa jungi ba katlo ka lakai ki kani ka jing puli jing mo aba ka pista ka job ya ka jing start mo kani yapan.
We are here standing in solidarity with the student protesters at Janpath today. In a democracy, it is a fundamental right to protest peacefully. So today we are here not just to disagree but also to save democracy, because it is our right to speak, to listen and to be heard. We also condemn the Delhi police brutality on the students here in Janpath yesterday.
Students, I would like to say that this situation is really distressing. Education should be a fundamental right of every child, of every citizen of India, and that is not the case right now. And I hope that the government will not turn back on the students and will do something for them. Yeah, thank you.
पेपर लीक नहीं चलेगा, पेपर लीक नहीं चलेगा, लीक में तो नहीं चलेगा, नेट में भी नहीं चलेगा, CUET में नहीं चलेगा, पुलिस कांस्टेबल में नहीं चलेगा, पेपर लीक नहीं चलेगा, प्रधान इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा तुम